Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple and very cute bikini top. And the string, I made it a little bit larger. It's not too large or something like that, but it's just like good enough, I think. And strong enough. Okay, so this is very simple, and let's get into the tutorial. Cotton yarn, and I am going to use a 2.5 millimeter hook. Okay, and to start with, we are going to do a slip knot. Okay, if you do that again, okay, so just wrap around, and then you can insert here and pull it, okay, and pull it tight. Okay, so from here we are going to chain 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, and then we are going to add 3 chain. Okay, so we're going to, in the third 1 2 3, in the fourth chain from your hook, we are going to make a double crochet, and then double crochet into the next, and double crochet into the next, and double crochet. Okay, so I'm going through with you this one, the first one, okay, because this is just a repetition. Okay, when I finish this, and then you can do how many rows do you need. Okay, we're getting to the end. And then we are onto our last one. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is chain, not chain, but two double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so we have 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and double crochet in the same stitch, 2 double crochet again. Okay, so after that, okay, we're going to the next chain. Okay, double crochet into the next, and then double crochet into the next, double crochet to the next, and we're just going to do a double crochet. I'm just going to include that one there. Okay, so sorry guys, it might be a little bit noisy as the cars were close to the main road. Okay, the noise outside might be louder than my voice. Okay, getting there. Okay. All right. Getting to the end. And one more. Okay, so don't forget that bottom part there. Okay. So as you can see, this is our foundation chain. Okay, so from here, chain 3. Okay, and what I love to do, okay, so we don't have the gap, okay, I want to insert my hook in the first, okay, so yarn over, insert the hook, okay, yarn over and insert into the next one. Okay, so like 2 together, but this one is count as 1 anyway, so we are just doing that so we can close this gap there. Okay, and then you are just going to make, okay, 1 double crochet in each stitch, okay, on top of double crochet in the previous row. We're just going to put 1 double crochet until you get to the top. Okay, and to the top you are going to put 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and you are just going to repeat that. And you can change as well, it's just in this part here. Okay, so this is our last double crochet there, and then we have the chain space. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the same space, and then 1 double crochet in each space, okay, in each chain, okay, or stitch, okay, going down. Okay, so just continue that going down here, and after that, okay, so we have 1 2, that is our round 2, 1 2, and then 3. Okay, so round 3 you will be doing this same, 2 double crochet, space 1 or chain 1, 2 double crochet, and then after that in the 4th row, 4 5 6 7, I just put 3 double crochet, and then in the middle of 3 double crochet, in the next row I put 3 double crochet again, okay, and the next row in the middle 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet in the middle, okay, and then here it's the same, just 1 double crochet each. Okay, so I will get back to you. Okay guys, so this is the new pair that I'm working, okay, and I just attached them together as you can see. Okay, I just did chain 3, and then because this is double crochet, so I put 2 double crochet, and then in this space 2 double crochet, in this space 2 double crochet, in this space 2 double crochet all the way here, and then when I got here, I just connect them. Okay, so in this space here, as you can see, okay, I grab this space here, and then I wrap my yarn, okay, and grab this space and then connect into the other side, and then do my double crochet. And as you can see, okay, so that is my double crochet. Okay, so that connects together, and then as the same in the other side, okay, just 2 double crochet into the 2 double crochet. Okay, and now I am here, I am going to show you. Okay, so from here we're going to chain 3. Okay, then 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, so we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, 1 2 3. In the third chain we're going to do a double crochet. Wait, sorry guys, so chain 3, and then in the third chain, okay, so we're going to skip 2. Okay, so skip 2, and the third chain we're going to single crochet. Okay, chain 3, okay, skip 2, 1 2, and the third single crochet. Okay, chain 3, okay, skip 2, and the third single crochet. Okay, so this is what we are going to make in the bottom. Okay, so this design here. Okay, so you're just going to continue that until to the end. Okay, and then when we finish to the end, I'll come back and show you how. Okay guys, so as I mentioned it before, we are going to do this. Okay, so the first space there, okay, I skipped that and then made a 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 double crochet into the next single crochet, and then 6 single crochet, 6 single crochet. So we are here now. I am going to show you. Okay, so we are here in the single crochet, and then we just go straight into the next, and we are going to do our 6 double crochet. 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, then the next space, single crochet, and then the next space, okay, 6 double crochet. Okay, so you are just going to repeat that until you finish the row. Okay, it's very, very easy. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. All right, so here, single crochet. Sorry guys. So as you can see, we have done. It's pretty. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching, and then after that you're just going to do your string, okay, and your string from here as well. Okay, so your string here going to the back, and your string going to your neck. Okay, so I think I will put into the description box, okay, how to make the string. Okay, thank you guys, and until to the next video, bye.